Hi, I'm Dr. Tom Silver, the podiatrist at the Westfoot Foot Clinic in Golden Valley, Minnesota. Ingrown toenails are a very common foot problem and one of the most common problems we treat in our clinic. An ingrown toenail occurs when the border or side of the toenail curves downward and pushes into or against the skin. It can be quite painful and even become infected. It can occur on any toe, but most commonly is seen on the big toes. Common causes of an ingrown toenail include improper trimming, tight shoes, pressure against the nail from an adjacent toe or a toe that's curved or bent, an injury to the nail, or a fungus infection in the nail. When an ingrown toenail becomes painful, then it's necessary to see us at the Westfoot Foot Clinic in Golden Valley to have this taken care of, which we can do on your initial visit. We gently numb the nail border with a local anesthetic, then remove the ingrown nail border along with a small portion of the nail root to prevent regrowth. Our patients often say afterwards that they would have come in a lot sooner to have this problem fixed if they had known that it was such an easy procedure. If you or someone you care about is suffering with an ingrown toenail, then request an appointment with us online at www.foot.com or call us at 763-231-2341 to get your ingrown toenail permanently corrected.